How to turn off G-SYNC using the NVIDIA app. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off G-SYNC using the NVIDIA app. Start by opening the NVIDIA app on your Windows PC. If you can't find it, simply search for NVIDIA app using the Windows search bar. If it's not installed, you can download it separately or install it along with your NVIDIA graphics drivers. Once the app is open, click on System from the menu on the left-hand side. Then, make sure you're on the Displays tab. Under the Global Settings section, you'll find the G-SYNC option. Click on the checkbox or toggle next to G-SYNC to access its settings. Now, set G-SYNC to Off and click Apply to save the changes. After applying the setting, G-SYNC will be disabled on your system. If needed, you can return to the same menu at any time to turn it back on. That's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off G-SYNC using the NVIDIA app. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.